Morning, chickens. Good pumpkin for you guys. Okay, yan. Okay na yung ating chicken for today. So yan, kailangan natin kunin yung egg from morning and night kasi nangingitlog pa sila during the day. And pag hinayaan natin overnight na nandun yung egg, mag-freeze siya and masisira yung egg yolk pag nag-freeze yung egg. So twice a day tayo nagko-collect. And time na rin para i-check natin yung mga food and water nila. So that's a good timing as well. Now let's go to the goat. Taas ang snow today. Nagkaroon ng snowstorm or snowfall alert. And ang daming warning. And sabi ng mga locals dito, minsan lang nagkakaganito. And we're not worried kasi sanay naman tayo sa dating place na laging mataas yung snow. Pero of course, dahil meron tayong mga animals na inaalagaan, make sure din natin na okay sila. First is the feed. I'll go check their feed. Buti na lang, marami tayong feed dito for, I'm not so sure kung kasya ito for the whole winter. Okay. Meron na silang food for the day and double check natin yung kanilang higaan. Make sure na hindi wet at saka walang snow doon sa loob. So magdadagdag tayo ng hay sa kanilang bed just to be sure. So every bad weather, ito lang yung gagawin natin. Magdadagdag tayo ng hay beddings nila. May isang lost goat tayo. Go back! It's cold! Go, go, go! Go back to the group. You stay there. Kain natin yung kanilang food. They like it pagka hindi compress yung food nila. So let's do that. There you go. So pag heavy snow, kailangan natin ukayin yung kanilang hay kasi nakukompress ng snow at saka tumitigas. Now they're eating. I know they're hungry kasi ito, malaki ang tiyan nito pagka nakakain. Ngayon, ang liit. How are you, bro? When you gonna eat? Must be hungry. I'll let you guys eat. I'll go clean up our driveway. Ngayon, time naman natin maglinis ng ating driveway kasi punong-puno na ng snow. The water's fine. Hindi frozen. That's perfect. That's what I want. Yan o, ganda tingnan ng mga snow. And may nakita tayong bird. Yun, oops. Na, kaalis na. Ganda tingnan yung snow. Dito ka sa labas. Importante lang, bundle up and may enjoy mo yung snow. Okay, subukan nating lakarin yung driveway kung mataas yung snow. since the driveway is too long, good thing our neighbor helped us out clean up the driveway, and that's Greg. He has the tractor to easily push the snow on the banks, so that was a big help for me. Again, thank you to Greg helping us out. A good neighbor.